A very good morning to students. Today I will teach you a topic of generations of computer. This is for the class 4th. Generations of computer. Generation in computer provides a framework for the growth of computer industry and generally characterize the major development in the computer industry. The modern computer era can be divided into 5 generations by basic electronic component within the computer. Each new logic units let the computer faster in speed, smaller in size and more reliable and less expensive than their predecessors. Computers were developed in 5 different phases known as the generations of computer. Now let's discuss one by one in a little detail. This is the picture of generations of computer. Based on the characteristics and computer developed time to time, they are categorized in generations. First generations to 5 generations. Now look at here the first generation. The first generation of computer is started in 1942 to 1955. The computer of this generation are used electronic valves as the basic component for the memory and circuitry of central processing unit. These vacuum tubes were a fragile glass device like electric bulb. So in simple language you can say that computer first generation जो है 1942 to 1955 में start हुई and in this computer there are use of vacuum tube. Vacuum tube is the name of device which is used in first generation for processing unit. It is look like electric bulb. They produce a lot of heat and were prone to frequent fusing. Because it is a bulb, so most of the time it is frequent fusing and damaging of the installation. So this is the damaging of installation is very costly for us. Because that time when the first computer generation uses, their value of money is very important. Therefore, they were used very expensive and could be afforded only by very large organization. Because of the expensive, only large companies are using first generation computer that time. Now look at the advantage. क्या क्या फायदे हैं इस जनरेशन से? First, these computers were the fastest calculating device of their time. The speed of this computer is very fast. They could perform calculation in milliseconds. So basically these computers are used in calculations. Vacuum tube technology made possible the advent of electronic digital computer. Only electronic digital computer are used. So this is the advantage. Now some disadvantage of this generation. First, too bulky in size. Size में बहुत बड़े होते थे. Air conditioning required to control the temperature because first generation computer give the heatness. So they are using air conditioning for controlling the temperature. Prone to frequent hardware failure. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हार्डवेयर फेल हो जाता था इसमें. कमर्शियल प्रोडक्शन वाज डिफिकल्ट एंड कॉस्टली. और इसका जो प्रोडक्शन था वो बहुत कॉस्टली होता था, तो बहुत ही कम कंपनियां थी जो इसका यूज कर पाती थी. स्लो इनपुट एंड आउटपुट ऑपरेशन इसमें जो होता था बहुत ही स्लो होता था. सो दीज ऑल आर द डिसएडवांटेज. इन फर्स्ट जनरेशन सम इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, यूजफुल पॉइंट आर देयर. पीरियड इसका था 1945 टू 1955. कंपोनेंट वैक्यूम ट्यूब यूज होता था. स्पीड इसकी मिली सेकेंड्स में होती थी बिकॉज कैलकुलेशन आर इन मिली सेकेंड्स. मैक्सिमम मेमोरी कैपेसिटी 2000 इंच. मीन टाइम बिफोर फेलियर इज मिनट्स. पेरिफेरल्स इनपुट आउटपुट से होता था पंच कार्ड, पेपर टैब, मैग्नेटिक टैब एंड प्रिंटर से. सो दीज ऑल आर द पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस. Secondary storage punch card, paper tab, magnetic drum and magnetic disc. So these all are the important point. Now look at this also. Operating system mainly batch processing. Language इसमें machine code और electric wired board से होता था. Application area means in which area computer are used. Payroll processing and record keeping. Mostly these type of computer are used for record keeping. Example of these computer are these. So this is the first generation's computer. Now quiz time. First, write 2 advantages of first generation's computer. Fill in the blanks. Computer are divided into dash generations. The first generation computer is started dash year to dash year. So listen my this video and give the answer of question number 1 and question number 3 only. In second question I will tell you later in next my video. So in this video I have explained only first generation's computer. So in my next video I will tell you about the next generations. Thank you to watching my this video.